Buddy, it's time to fix that TV mount, and you're coming with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and you know, when I'm out RVing and the day is done after a great hike, some chefing it up. I love to chill and relax and watch some movies. I have a Blu-ray DVD in the RV. I have an antenna if I need to get over-the-air signals, which I don't do a lot of because I like to watch movies. But whatever it is, I love to chill and just relax. Now the problem is the ball joint for the mount for my TV, where I keep it right there, got stuck and ended up basically breaking, and so I have to replace the TV mount. This will be the third TV mount I've put into two RVs since I got into RVing about 5 years ago. I'll put a link to the last 2 times I put in a TV mount. Now I'm going to have to do it over again and put a new TV mount here, and I'm going to take you with me. So let's get started. So the first thing first, I have to unhook my TV. I use this bungee cord with a pool spaghetti noodle to hold the TV in place when I drive so that it doesn't shake. I'll go in the back here and then need to take out the cables that connect the Blu-ray and the power to the TV, just unhook them there. And then once I get everything all unhooked, it's a simple thing. I just pick up the TV, take it off, put it down. Once the TV is down, it's now time to undo the bracket. There is actually a wood piece that is holding the bracket there. I just ratchet it over and get that unhooked, take that whole unit off. The end here, I actually just unscrewed it with my hands, took it off, and boom, starting with a clean slate. Although it was getting hot, so I have to take off my jacket, I had the RV engine running. After that, though, it was taking off the back plate from the TV.
So with the old mount off, it's now time to put on this new one. This is a Pearl Smith small full motion TV wall mount. I picked it up online. I'll put a link in the description below. I think this will fit right in the exact same location, and I should be able to hook up my TV fairly easy. So let's get this one up now.
Now, I chose this particular one because it was a pretty good deal, and then I got it, and it shipped fairly quickly. You can find any kind of mount that you want. For me personally, I like ones that have the arms that adjust so that I can have the TV tweak and turn no matter where I am in the RV. Because that's how I like to watch my movies. I lay down on my couch and I like to move the TV facing me. But there was a problem. The screws didn't align up with the backboard or the TV.
So I've been working on trying to get the screws into the TV and into the mount just to get this started. And this screw, well, it is too long. And this one, which is going to have to go in the wood in the mount area up there, that also is too long. So I'm gonna have to run over to a Home Depot, pick up a couple screws. We'll be back.
Now, the one thing I have learned over the years when I'm working on my RV is try to do it around a home improvement store if at all possible, because like it or not, you end up probably going back and forth to them a couple of times while you're working on a project, and that happened again here.
So I got the screws. Hopefully they're the right ones. Folks at Home Depot were really good. They helped me. Let's go back in. Let's go back to the RV. See if we can get this thing working. Hey, if you like the content you're seeing on the channel, please click and subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. Okay, back at the RV, have my screws. Gonna try this again and see if I can get this mount up there.
So the trip to Home Depot was a success. I got the right length screw. I used a washer here, put the screw in, and then just use my drill to drill it all in. You want to make sure you get all four corners of the mount before you put it back up.
The screws for the back part of the mount for the TV work. Now it's time to see if we can get it in to the wood that is up where I used to mount the old TV.
So the next thing you have to do is drill a pilot hole for your TV mount. I measured it out and drilled the hole there. You can see it's right next to my old one, but obviously smaller than the old one. You then take the mount, put it up, and I used my screw to start it a little bit, and then I got the ratchet and then got up there and ratcheted in tight. Now this is where you want to make sure you're doing a good job of making it nice and secure, because that is what's really going to hold up your TV, and you don't want that shaking around too much. As you can see here, it is in a good shape. It extends, it's nice. You see those hooks there, that's going to come into play when you put in your TV, which is next. So I'm just doing it. The TV actually isn't that heavy. It would be nice if there was another person, but since it's just me, no problem. You want to get it up there, and again, you want to put the TV on the hooks on the back of the extended arm, and there it goes right there. And then you want to take your drill and put the final screws into the back of the TV, and voila, you have a mounted TV.
So there you have it, another TV mounted in the RV. Hopefully this one will last another 4 years or so, but I'm just glad that my TV is nice and safe, and when I snuggle in to watch a movie, I know it won't fall down on me. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, do those repairs on the rig now so that when you get a chance to go out in RV, you'll enjoy the great outdoors in comfort. We'll see you next time.